Hello friends, welcome back to another session with Chef Nidhi. As you have already seen in my previous session, Indian spices give very nice taste and aroma to your food. Along with that, each and every spice has its own health benefit. So in this session, I am going to tell you health benefits of Indian spices which I have used in my recipes. In this session, I am going to tell you health benefits of coriander seeds, poppy seeds, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and black pepper. So very first I'll describe you benefits of coriander seeds. It prevents arthritis and rheumatism, minimizes bad cholesterol, it cures skin-related issues, it helps to prevent abdominal pain, it prevents and cures anemia, it prevents and treats diabetes, prevents and treats osteoporosis, it lowers the incidence of conjunctivitis and other eye problems. Last, it cures digestive disorders. Coming to next, health benefits of poppy seeds. It cures mouth ulcers, improves brain health, it boosts energy, enhances digestion, it improves female fertility, it cures sleeplessness, regulates blood pressure, it strengthens bones, it improves heart health, it boosts the immunity system, and last, one important, it prevents from cancer. Next spice is cloves. It improves digestion. It has antibacterial properties, controls diabetes, boosts the immunity system. It helps to control blood sugar level. It relieves stress. It improves oral health. It soothes toothache. It cures acne. And last is improves respiratory conditions. The next spice is cardamom. Cardamom boosts antioxidant activity in our body. It lowers cholesterol level, lowers blood pressure. It improves heart health. It may help in weight loss. It works as an antibacterial and antifungal. It may reduce digestive tissues. It may prevent from cancer. And the last one, but important, it may improves liver functions. Coming to next slide, the health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon lowers bad cholesterol. It also has antioxidant benefits. It helps in weight loss. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels. It may cure or treat conjunctivitis and eye problems. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It may help to treat metabolic disease. The next spice is black pepper. There are a lot of health benefits of black pepper, such as it improves digestive health, it prevents from cancer, it lowers blood pressure, it promotes weight loss, relieves cough and cold, fights infections, it improves oral health, enhances brain health, it improves fertility in men, and last but very important, it helps to quit smoking.